In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to make a newspaper, magazine, blog website using WordPress and monetize it with Google AdSense. This is perfect if you want to start a news site, tech blog, sports magazine, or any content-focused website that looks professional and earns revenue. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clean magazine-style layout ready for traffic and ads. If this video helps you out, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future WordPress tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. You can do this by going to yourdomain.com/wp-admin and entering your login details. Once you're inside the dashboard, this is where you control everything about your website, including themes, plugins, posts, pages, and settings. Next, we need to install a professional newspaper-style theme. Go to Appearance, then click on Themes and select Add New. In the search bar, type Newscard. This is a clean and modern magazine theme that works great for news and blog websites. Once you find it, click Install and then Activate. After activation, your website will immediately start looking more like a magazine layout. Now let's import a starter design to save time. Go to Plugins, click Add New, and search for Starter Templates. Install and activate the Starter Templates plugin. This plugin allows you to import ready-made website designs with just a few clicks. After activating it, go to Appearance and click on Starter Templates. Search for Magazine in the template library. Choose a magazine layout that fits your niche, whether it's news, sports, technology, or general blogging. Click on it and import the complete site. This will automatically create pages, layouts, and demo content for you. Once your design is ready, it's time to set up monetization using Google AdSense. To do this properly, we'll use the official SiteKit by Google plugin. Go back to Plugins, click Add New, and search for SiteKit by Google. Install and activate it. After activation, click Start Setup and connect your Google account. Follow the verification steps to connect Search Console, Analytics, and most importantly, AdSense. Once approved by AdSense, you'll be able to automatically place ads across your website and start earning from visitors. Now let's customize your homepage section so it looks like a real newspaper site. Edit your homepage using the block editor or Elementor, depending on your template. Add a Posts widget to display blog posts dynamically. In the layout settings, set the columns to 3 so your articles appear in a clean grid format. Then go to the query settings and choose categories. This allows you to display specific categories like sports, technology, business, or entertainment in different sections of your homepage. This structure is what gives a professional news website its organized look. Make sure you also create categories under posts and assign each article to the correct category. Add featured images to every post because magazine layouts rely heavily on strong visuals. You can further customize colors, typography, and header layout in Appearance and Customize to match your brand identity. At this point, you now have a fully functional newspaper, magazine, blog website built with WordPress and optimized for AdSense monetization. You've installed the Newscard theme, imported a magazine template, configured SiteKit by Google, and structured your homepage with categorized post sections. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step WordPress and online income tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.